that's how the strategy works every single trade, right?
There's lots of reasons for the bears to say, okay, let's come back and rebalance.
Stay smart, stay ready, stay profitable.
All right. Welcome in, ladies and gentlemen, to the Profit Panel. I know everybody's been patiently waiting to get things kicked off. So here I am. We are here, ready, and I hope you guys are all ready too. We got a great crowd so far. Everybody's piling in today. So keep them coming. And we'll be rocking and rolling. So, how are you guys doing today? Well, it's a tough crowd today. Hopefully everyone's doing well. I'm wondering here, what is happening? Are we getting, am I missing something? Oh no, I'm not. All right. Well, we are live now, ladies and gentlemen. So has anybody caught any trades today with the free ride scanner from Alex? Anybody at all? I caught the nice trade on IBM. It was a good one. Let me, hopefully you guys can hear me. I got a brand new microphone, so we're rocking and rolling. I'm feeling good today. Let me, where's my scanner at? Oh, there it is. Let me get this pulled up for you guys. All right. Hide the account. Not that I'm ashamed, but hide the account there. Drag this over here. Just getting ourselves situated. So I was going to pull up the scanner here and show you guys what we got going on. There we go. Okay, so today the trade I decided to take was IBM. And we had one single alert for IBM, but it was a huge volume spike. And it came in early this morning around 9:43. And they just had their earnings. So I was like, wow. I was like, IBM is about to go. And sure as heck, right at 9:30 here, IBM just trended up all the way. I did not take the 277 call, but I'm curious. So let's just tease this. So say you did the IBM and you took the 277, which was what was that alert? What was that flow? 277.50. So 277.50. So they're worth 9.25 now. So hold on. Let me do options, IBM. And what was that? So do 10, 277.50 next week. Right here. So let's look at this. So we'll go to Control X, go to charts, Control V. All right. So so at the time of the alert at 9:30, those contracts were worth 3.5. They're worth over $1,000 at 12:28. So this was a trade that the scanner caught at 9:30. 277.50, October 31st, which is the contract we're looking at here. Now, you could have sold it for you could have sold it for $1,000. That would have been over a what was that? 300% gain? That's just one trade today. I'm sure others have taken more. And let me know in the chat, guys. Let me know in the chat what trades you took. And we got Jeff Smith with us here now. Let's bring Jeff on the stage. Welcome in, Jeff.
Howdy.
What's going on?
I just jumped into K-Web.
You jumped into K-Web?
Yeah.
Let's pull it up. Oh, my.
It came across the old scanner here over the past hour, and I thought, well, what the heck? And the options they were buying were the 49 calls on the 21st of November. You get those for like 12 cents. And I thought, what the heck? I'll see if I can't get like 140% out of those things.
Yeah. So we had a bunch. Look at that. 7.3x spike.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What did K-Web do? And it ran. When did that alert come?
Well, apparently it's like a Chinese internet company or something. But anyway, yeah, I just saw.
Wow.
I've been busy all day long, and it was the first time I had a chance to look at the scanner here about 15 minutes ago, going, what's been going on today?
Yeah.
And all of a sudden that thing started popping in. And I was just like, what the heck? I'll be late today. So I
gotta get in.
I bought some at $12 and I got a limit working at 29. Good till canceled.
Let's see.
I figure I got a month left.
Yeah, that's a lot of time on those. Those are November 21st, 49 call.
Yeah, they're like 12 cents, 11 cents, 13 cents in there somewhere.
Oh my. Well, let me just, you know what? We're going to throw it in a market.
You want to join me, are you?
Yeah, I'm going to join you. I'll take 2.
There you go.
Boom. Hit the market order right there. I like that. Wow. That's a good one. Oh, and it's below the 200. Oh, yeah. Good eyes, Jeff.
So, boy, there were some expensive ones in there today.
I know. I was just looking at that IBM trade. It was a little pricey, but if you would have taken it, you would have netted 300% gains.
Well, I noticed there was a bunch of them on ASML, and that thing's over $1,000.
Which one? ASML?
I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But there's a bunch of them on that thing.
Oh, oh my gosh.
But that thing's like a $1,000 or $1,100 stock or something.
Holy
and I was just like, those things are going to be outrageous.
Yeah. Wow. What is ASML?
That one I don't know. I didn't look that thing up.
I don't know. Let's see. What was the contract? Was that like 1,100?
The 1,100, yeah.
For December? Is that what I saw? Or November 7th? Oh, December 19th, too. The 1,200 call? Let's look at that one. Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're all December 19 contracts.
That's just some pocket change right there, Jeff. You know, $1,500.
Yeah. But look at the volume on it. I mean, 1,800, 1,700, 1,300. I mean,
yo, sorry I'm late.
Somebody's dishing out some cash on those things.
Yeah, they are. I mean, the return on that would be crazy. Imagine if you ran them at the money or in the money. We're looking at your scanner. Jeff just saw some ASML calls come through.
Oh yeah, I know. They're so expensive though. I wanted to
try. Oh yeah, they're outrageous.
It's so expensive.
$1,500 just for one.
Yeah.
You just jumped into K-Web, Alex.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's a China stock, right?
Yeah. It's the internet stock.
There's a lot of movement on there. 49. Oh, that's 49.
The 49's for November.
I won't lie to you. I joined him as well. I just hit the market order, man. $13 a contract. Bought 2.
Wow.
Let's see what happens.
What are we up today? 2. I mean, that's not that much. Cool. I mean,
But if they just get to like 41.5, I mean, you make bank on that thing because they're only like 11 or 12 cents.
yeah. What do we look like on the? Okay, we're over the 9. Just a little bit of a bounce off on the 20 here, but when's that meeting next week?
What, Fed
Which
meeting?
one?
Yeah.
No, well that, but also the Trump meeting, Trump and G.
Yeah, that is next week. I don't remember when that is, but that's next week. I know it is. Somebody in the chat's got to know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Bodine knows. Bodine here.
Bodine is here.
Bodine, I need
Bodine,
you.
yeah. Bodine was like, Alex is on his way. I knew you were going to be running a couple minutes behind because you
Yeah.
had your master class.
Yeah, that's okay. But as long as Bodine's here, he can take the show.
That's right. Yeah, Bodine, it's all you.
Wait. So okay, let me look at those KWEB for me as well.
Yeah, and feel free, Alex, take the screen back. It's all yours if you'd like.
All right, I'll start sharing here. Let me find where it is.
Yeah, it takes me a minute sometimes. I was just showing off the Intel, or not Intel, but it was IBM, the 300% gains you could have got.
You
on
saw
those
that from the
calls.
scanner, right?
I did.
Dude,
Yeah,
what a
man.
boring stock to show up on the scanner and then get that many gains from.
Well, and I knew it was going to be a good one because they just had their earnings.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's got, whose screen am I sharing here? Are we sharing Jeff's or Alex's? What do we got?
Alex. I would just park in mine there in case.
Okay,
okay.
that's totally fine. There we go.
All right, let's look at KWEB because it is on the scanner. When did it come in? Recently, 146. So we're not too late. 147.
I think we're right on time, actually, because it's consolidating. Looks like to possibly push higher.
What did you guys get in at?
13
I got 12.
cents?
November. Okay. Oh, it's that cheap?
It's cheap.
12 cents.
What? All right. Let's do it. All right,
Well,
folks.
I think those are the December ones are a little cheaper, but that's what I would take personally because, me and Jeff, we like to buy time with our contracts.
Yeah, I mean, I like. What are we? We're at $40. October 31st. Let's see what the ratios look like here. Put call side.
Well, the 41s are going for like 60 or 70 cents, but those 49s are going for like 12 cents, 13 cents.
Okay. And remember, folks, we don't need it to go to 49 for us to pay out. I mean, if it goes to 44, at least these will print money too.
Mm-hmm.
So you can sometimes take the cheaper one. 30. These are the November 21st. Wow, that gives us a lot of time, actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab some of these testimonials too.
Oh, snap! Got some?
Yeah, we do.
So a little bit of call, put volume here as well. But if you look over here, you can see that the ratio is a little. I mean, 11,000, 15,000, and 3,000, 4,000. So there is more. So even though this is an ETF. I usually don't trade these. It is cheap though. And since Jeff and Blake are in on them, I'm going to do it in solidarity. So
in solidarity. I got some folks in the chat asking about the view. I'm going to try a different view here to see if it'll look a little bit better.
Let's see. So, yep. So, okay. I'm going to type these in. We're doing the 49s. You guys are in December though, right? I'm going to do the 21st of November.
No, I did 21 Nov.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, hold on.
Blake's going to take the wrong contract again and make another 300%.
Yeah. It's 21 Nov.
How do I do that every time?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, it's those.
Oh,
those
no.
49,
No.
Those 49s are 21 November.
I'm in the 21 November. I'm sorry. I missed.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're in the same ones this time.
I need to pull up this chat. Do you have just the chat for the presenters, Blake?
Yeah,
link?
I can send it to you.
Can you send it to
Actually,
me?
it's if you go to our group chat, it should be right there. It's the one on the bottom.
No, I think that pulled up the full like for the viewers.
Yeah, let me send you another link here.
Yeah, thanks.
No problem.
So I can type it in for everyone, so you guys can get filled, and then I can lose an instant 5% off the top.
Here you go. I just sent it to the chat. Try that one.
Aha! Here
That's
it is.
the one.
That's the one. Doug just got
Appreciate
an 11. Dang it, Doug. No, I'm just kidding. Good job. I'm typing it out. KWEB buy to open 21 November 25, $49 call. Boom. So why is this a good trade? Well, again, I don't really care about news as long as we do have a lot of volume popping up on KWEB. That's really all I care about. Really, I don't care about news. I will say if you zoom out though on the news front, we have this. It looks like after the initial war of words between Trump and Xi. They're kind of both backtracking. We got this China America summit in like next week, and let's see if we can get in for. I got in at 12. I'm gonna get another contract at 12. I'm gonna see if I can get in at 10. I forgot to push the price down. Actually, I'm gonna try 9. See if you can get filled. This is an ETF, maybe not. Maybe 10 though.
It's possible. I just want to welcome in everyone. We have 356 people with us, so welcome in to the Profit Panel, ladies and gentlemen. This is actually what we have on the schedule for today. We're doing some 1 DTE roulette, but these are trades that could potentially pay us tomorrow or next week. So this fits right along with the schedule. So this is perfect. Yeah,
no, this is great. So that KWB, I got in at a 12 and 11. Yep, looking good on the 11 entry. I think I forget. I guess I'm looking better on the 11. Anyways, so basically we'll look at this tomorrow. Come back tomorrow for an update on this. But I think cheap contracts looking for a good little gain. Hopefully triples, high doubles. But we'll keep you updated for tomorrow, and we might even hold this later. And as we get closer to the market close here, maybe around 3:30, I'm going to show you guys something. If you're a new member here, you've probably never seen before. But we're going to be looking for some late market inflows on these orders, on these options, and then those are the ones where really popping. Like, why are people buying a ton of options at 350, at 330, at 350? That's the question. And the answer to that is that they think something's going to happen because they can't really monitor their positions very long, right? So why are they buying all these options so late into the market day? Because they think something's going to happen overnight. So that's kind of what we do here oftentimes. But all right. Well, we got some good. Wow, dude, rig. I'm looking at this other scanner I have. Dude, rig's popping off, man. Not only on my scanner. We only had one hit on my scanner. Look at this one. I also built this other scanner that we talked about. That's 116 though. That's a long ways away. But we have you can see all this volume here on rig. Right over here. See it? See everyone? That fancy little second scanner that we use. But we only have rig. Nope. Boop. Only have one order for rig. But look at all these other flows coming in. Now, these are pretty far outdated. I don't know if it would be great to do these, but let's just see. 116. That's not right. There is no 116. Oh, yeah. No, there is a 116. Oh, yeah. $5 calls on rig. Wow.
Did you call out rig, Alex?
I didn't. Some people made money. I think I don't know if in this chat or elsewhere in another stream. I think some people made like 20% on rig today.
Nice.
Wow. Look at that.
People want to know the exit for K-Web.
I got a working order at 29 cents.
Alex, I know where we had rig from. That's insider intelligence.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay. Well, you got yeah. Yeah. That was nice. That was a good one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
There you go.
No, that's why you follow the insiders sometimes.
That's right.
They know something that you don't. You're big
That's
club in your
right.
ear.
Because I thought I saw something about that. I was like trying to think. Ugh.
Let's see. So let me detach this. So check this out, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get on. All right, let me get on my. I got shorten this. Let me know let me know if people are saying stuff in the chat that I can respond or we can respond to at all. I need to get another monitor for this reason.
Yeah, I feel you. I only have 2. I feel like I need a third.
I know. I need a third just to put.
You all don't have 3 monitors?
Not yet.
No. I'm literally this weekend. I'm going to get more.
Oh, wow.
Did I say 1025? Did I make a mistake on that?
1031.
Okay.
Hold on. I can fix that.
Would you retype that?
Yeah,
no,
I
didn't.
fix that.
I didn't make a mistake on KWEB.
Yeah, that's right. 11/21.
Yeah,
Wait.
21 November.
Yeah. 11/21 November 2025. 49 call. That is right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rosalind's already up 8%. Dude, Rosalind's been crushing it, man. You're so crazy.
People asking about insider intelligence now. They're like, wait, what is this?
Yeah. Okay, let's look at this one. So look at all these. This is like I have a traditional sweep scanner I'm working on, but the idea is a little bit different. I don't want to look for sweeps like midday. I don't look for sweeps at 9:30 a.m. I want to look for sweeps late day. So now to basically 3:55. And the idea is that why are people throwing all these contracts up for this late in the day? So you can see these came at literally 2 minutes ago because this is in my little emulator. I build everything. I code all this myself. The initial version of this scanner, I coded it myself. And then we got a dev to add it to the web apps because web apps are a lot more difficult. And we have database stuff when people are actually using it live. So I don't want to mess with databases. It's annoying. This though, I coded this up on my phone. It's just running on my or on my computer, but it's like an iPhone emulator in Xcode. So wow. So this is look at all these sweeps. And so the time zone, subtract 4. It's just based on, I don't know, whatever. I guess it's 4. It's like Greenwich. It's like the Greenwich Mean Time or whatever, which is 4 hours ahead. But so it's actually at 2:46, which was 3 minutes ago. All of these contracts came in on rig, which is very interesting because this puppy is soaring. Let's go ahead and enter this one. $4 call. Oh, look at this on 1031. We could either do 5 or 1031. Let's see what the difference is because 1031 or 116. 116 is so far out, but we will have a lot of time to make this puppy work for us. So 1031. Wow, it's already up so much, and that's a $4 call. 1031. I love it.
It's up
a question in the chat.
It's only 17 cents. And look at all this volume. And there is no skew. But there's no like put call ratio. There's no puts. There's 0 puts.
Yeah.
Down here in January at $5 is only 20 cents too. So let's do a fun little play. Let's take both of them and see if we can like lock in profits tomorrow on this 31 October or, even Monday, but then we can let this one ride and just see how it works out for us. So let me go drop this in the chat. Oh, Rick just bought it. Hey, Doug, it's going to be a new thing, man. It's going to be a new thing.
Completely separate, huh? So here's a question for you, Jeff. Since you took that K-Web trade, some people are wanting to know, what's your exit?
My exit is at 29 cents.
29 cents.
That'll give me 141% profit. I'm happy with that.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. It seems a little low.
That's where you sell one and then let the rest ride.
Yeah.
Well, that's the exact same trade I did on, what was that, SG or whatever it was. Of course,
Sweet
we got
green?
into 6 cents on that one.
Yeah.
And
that was crazy.
And I put a limit in at, what was it, 18 cents to make 300%, and it paid in, what was it, 45 minutes. So
yeah, that was insane. If
that
nobody
was
was, I don't know, if people who weren't here, we got like, I think I got out at like 216%. And I was like, yeah, 20 minutes. It was insane. Sweet Green's actually right around me. And they were actually from DC, Georgetown graduates, the business school. So it was kind of like a big thing around DC area. So I said I went to go get a salad from them and celebrate. I literally said I didn't like salad. I hate buying lettuce out because it's so much like marked up. But in celebration of that win, I went to go get a salad. All right, here's the two rig trades. Now, 25th in the 5/116. Oh, I gotta type in because January is not 2025 anymore, is it, folks?
No, it is not.
All right, there's the trades. Let's see what we get filled at.
All right, pin that.
Interesting, creator.
So
all right, so let's see if we can get filled at 19 for the 31st. I know some people did. And then for the $5, we'll see if we can get filled at 19 too. I'll see if we can get filled at 20.
Okay. Put that out there for everyone as well.
On rig. And I'm not getting filled.
Oh my God.
Go up to 21 on 16th of January. All right, I got filled at 21. And on the 31st, we'll go to 20. And I got filled at 20.
Nice. I put the entries and the exits too in there in the announcements because folks are always asking about the price. Or not the entries, but you know what I mean? The price of the option.
Oh, yeah. Wait, what?
Like the price, the premium.
What about it?
I just put it in there.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Like, how much did you spend? Well, I put it in there for you.
No, okay. So let's see. What we're looking at? Okay, up grand total of 238% to 50%. So looking good. Let's see if we get a pop tomorrow. A lot of orders coming in late. So.
Well, now I gotta hop into rig.
Oh, yep, get in, man. If you want, can't get personalized financial advice. So JPM's looking good. So that spread we took yesterday is looking good. 12.5% on this, and I'm going to give you guys a free trade. Actually, a strange trade. So. Not a strange trade, but this is going to be a little bonus trade because I've been so busy this week with the launch of this free ride scanner. I haven't sent out a cash flow club alert. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of cash flow club. What do we do on cash flow club? We take weekly spreads on Apple, and we're going to do that today. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to do a spread on Apple, and we're going to try and this is a weekly expiration. We're going to do a bear call spread, which means we want the stock to stay below 262.50 by expiration today. We're going to do the 262.50, $265 calls. I can show you what the profit diagram looks like if you don't use options strat to figure out your P&L. You're losing out, ladies and gentlemen. It is freaking amazing. So let's go ahead, bear call spread, show you what I'm looking at, show you the profit payout for this. I'm going to go ahead and actually drop this to my cash flow club gals and dudes. And we're not going to be doing this every week. If you are in cash flow club, don't worry. Like, I know you paid for it, but I do want to get this out to you. This is just quick. It's 3 p.m. I got to get it out before it gets too late.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do 262.50, 265. This is the profit diagram. We have an 81% chance of profit on this one. 80%. It's pretty good. Usually, 75% or more is good. So basically, Apple can go to 262.60 at this point by 4 p.m. tomorrow, and we would still win. So it could actually go above this little resistance line, 262.60, right? Well, really just under it. So that's what we're going to be taking for today. I'm going to go type that out to everyone. Surprise Apple. I spell surprise. Surprise is not spelled with a C. Trade. Sell to open 24 October 25, 262.5. Call. Buy to open 24 October 25, $265 call. Oh shit, Rick, game just came through. Okay, okay. Here's the spread. If you want to take it, let me here. I'm gonna seed the screen to Jeff here while I go typing this into my one-click portal. If you wouldn't mind, we can pull up pull up game and see what is it pumping or something or whatever you want to look at, man.
An old GME.
Yeah, GME. Cash flow.
There we go. So there's the 3 trades that we took. They're all down there in the bottom. Was that a bearish call spread you just did there, Alex, on Apple?
Yeah. Call spreads are bearish, so it means you want the price to stay low. You don't want it to go up.
And I'm trying to get 34 cents out of the thing.
Oh, I know, dude. I'm surprised. It's just like volatility is so high. Normally on Thursday, you don't really get that much premium. This is a pretty sexy premium, though. I gotta be honest. So, now,
what were you saying about GameStop?
So someone just said GME popped up on the scanner. I don't know. We're getting a little bit of a pump because remember the meme stocks are what happened. Oh, hey, look, we just got another 81,779 contracts dropped on Rig. $5 January 16th call. That is crazy, man. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna pop hard tomorrow. Then this might be a big one if it all goes according to plan. These are these 1 DTE choice trades. They can be a little more volatile.
So we got the Rig, 31 October, $4 call.
How many people we got in here right now?
We have over 400, Alex.
Woo-hoo!
425 people.
Yo,
That's
thank
a
you,
record.
thank you all for showing up, man. Me, Jeff, and Blake, we have a good time. I hope you guys are having a good time. If you're not, why aren't you having a good time? We're throwing out trades. We can look at earnings here. I thought we might do that. Some earnings plays coming up.
Well, I took 33 cents.
Oh dang!
They would not fill that stupid 34.
So Momo Money, if you need help placing a trade, you can always call your broker. Charles Schwab can do it for you over the phone. Charles Schwab account. Tried to make the K-Web trade. Still don't know order type. It's a buy to open. We're just doing it's a call. Yes, Susie. So for the Apple trade, you're selling to open and then you're buying to open. It's a spread.
We got some GLDs coming in.
Oh yeah, we do. All right, I just got filled on Rig.
Nice.
And what was the other one? The $5 call? Yeah. January. Oh. There we go. We're in. Yes, Ken. Yes. Yeah, Susie, that's fine. If you've never sold to open, don't do it. It's not something, if you don't know what you're doing, don't worry about it.
Yeah, don't sell to open.
Yeah, unless you understand what you're doing there. It's totally fine. There'll be way more trades. Yeah, Margaret, so the rig trade's at the bottom, but these are just calls. So it's a 31 October $4 call. Right now it's for 19 cents. And then there's another one that you could take. It's 16 January next year, 2026. It's a $5 call for $20.
We're playing two trades with this, right?
Yep. 2 trades on rig. And then Thomas, my voice is my password. Yes, at Charles Schwab, it sure is.
Oh, really?
Oh, now they got me. I just said that out loud. Now they're going to call. They got my voice recorded. And we're looking at GME as well.
Yeah, let's look at that GME chart. What's it doing? What's it showing us?
I feel so bad for Jeff. He doesn't have the chat, and I was going to sit down with our tech guy today, and he's out of office, so that didn't happen.
Oh, you don't have. I guess I've seen that going on the channels. I didn't know you actually couldn't even see it at all.
He still can't see it for some reason.
I have tried every kind of link and every kind of browser you could shake a stick at.
Yeah,
Really? That's weird, man.
And I even disabled all the Trend Micro stuff that they stuck on this machine and rebooted and everything like that, and it still doesn't pull. And what was weird is it worked fine last week.
right. I remember that because you were
It worked
able to
just
see the
beautifully
chat.
last week. No problems whatsoever. And we go through a weekend and poof. And I was blaming yesterday Amazon Web Services for it, but I guess I can't do that. So
Yeah, not anymore. I guess they're back.
Yes, it's a bearish call spread on Apple. We still have people asking. It's a bear call spread.
Yeah, bear call spread. So I'll take I just sent that out to my Cash Flow Club members. It's a fun service, man. It's the most mechanical trading strategy there is. If you want to get that, it's literally weekly spreads on Apple. We target like $30 to $40 per contract. We just Tuesday, Monday. It depends on what day we open. Sometimes Monday. Today we're opening on Thursday. But it's the same type of strategy. We go for like 80% probability of profit, and we've been doing it for like 2.5 years, and we're at like an 86% win rate or something crazy, 87% with that. So it's a perfect like side trading strategy to the directional options, which are like fast moving, and we're like, it's going up. Oh my gosh, right? This is just like Apple doesn't move because it's in all of your pensions. All the big institutional money managers don't want it to move. It stays in a tight range a lot of times. People don't. It's not like Apple's not actually a high flying stock. So if you want to get that, go ahead and we do it every week. And if you want to get into that, you can always just give us a call. Our team.
it's a new side hustle.
It's a new side hustle. That's right. Okay.
And you're collecting a credit on that Apple trade, right?
And these are credits.
no.
Yes.
Yeah.
These are.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and take the screen back.
GME's smoking here. I mean, it's up pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
And you guys see my trading view? Oh,
Yeah,
can you tee me up there?
Absolutely. There you go. You're teed up.
So real quick on Apple, we took the 262.50, 265. We sold the 262.50 and we bought the 265. Now this is called a credit spread. Why is this called a credit spread? Because you get the credit immediately deposited in your account. And the whole idea of this, I got in for 33 actually, Jeff. But
good. I don't feel so bad.
Yeah. So the whole idea is you collect $33 per contract, and you want that spread value to go to zero by expiration, which in this case it's the weeklies. We need Apple to stay below 262.50 by expiration, and we will just collect that credit. We don't have to do anything. It'll just be in our account. We keep it, right? You want the value of the spread to go down on a spread. When you sell a spread, you want to sell it at 30, have to buy it back at 1 cent. or 2 cents. But then you pocketed $28 in total profit from that spread. Okay. Now I know if you're newer, spreads may seem confusing. They're really not. We're going to do a whole training. We got some training. We have so many people in here, new people. We're going to do a lot of different. I have a lot of different trainings planned out. Probably going to start next week on those. And we're going to be covering a lot of topics. One of them will be credit spreads. So you're going to learn a lot, and we'll have focus sessions on that. We do credit spreads every Wednesday, and today too, just because special situation. But yeah. So for instance, we can check in on this JPM position as well.
Yeah, check in on that. And then we had a couple people asking about Archer and RGTI as well. Not sure if those ring a bell.
Yeah, so if you were in the master class, we talked about Archer and Rigetti. I'm still holding them short and sweet of it.
Okay. All right. There you go.
And so JP Morgan, what was our spread on this? So we're up 32% on JPM. Okay, so look at this. So yesterday, Wednesday was our weekly spread day. We took the $300 call. Wow, did we really take the $300 call on JPM?
JPM? In here?
Yeah, we did.
We did a 302.50. That's right, we did.
Let me go to the daily. Wow. Wow. That's nice.
And
did we? Wow. No way. Okay, so it's already here, actually. I was on the... Okay, so this... so we took this with the understanding we wanted JPM to go down 300, 302, 50. And we're up 30 to 32% on it. I think we can probably just let it. I think we're just going to let this one expire worthless probably, but we're definitely going to hold it into tomorrow because this is way away from our strike price.
Oh yeah.
So that should be a winner. I didn't get filled on the other one. I guess I was so busy doing the trades. I actually didn't check before the market closed. What was the other spread we opened yesterday?
Yeah, this is definitely why we need a profit panel Telegram. You can keep track of all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'm posting. Yeah.
Suggesting that yesterday.
You are right about that. I'm posting the Apple trade again. I know the ticker's not on there. Let me add it. And people asking about the Apple trade.
Okay. Yeah.
Post that one more time.
So, anyways, JPM trade. I don't know who's in it. Let me know if you're in it. You're seeing some nice little profit on the P&L on that. Estee Lauder's a spread. I'm still in it. Look, we're recovering, and we're actually trending on this 9 EMA. So we're going to still hold that. We were actually up a little bit today on it. So EL, we're down a little bit right now. It looks like I'm down 13%. But spreads, we have until next week for this to play out for us. And spreads, the P&L, it vacillates, right? So wow, dude, we had 95,000 more contracts coming on rig. Did everybody see that? This is the last time
we just see Trading View right now on your screen. Oh, there's the scanner on the right. Don't mind me.
Look at this. 95,000 more contracts came in on rig. 81,000 more contracts. Wow. Okay.
We're doing pretty good on our American Express too.
That's the one I don't think I got filled on. Yeah, that was the one yesterday.
Ah, okay. So, yeah, we did a 370, 375.
What are we looking at? Like, how's it looking?
That would be. Well, we're up about $23 a contract. I'm trying to figure out where I got filled. Looks like we got filled at 81 cents on it.
I didn't get filled. I was trying to be too aggressive, I guess.
We got filled at 79 cents.
Oh wow.
And right now,
AXP.
And we got filled at 79 cents, and right now we're at 99 cents.
Yeah. Okay. So And this is the cool thing, though, and we're still below what was 360? The short? Yeah, we're still quite a bit below that. So that one actually should play out too.
But that was a long spread.
Yeah, it was.
So we bought the 370, sold the 375. We're up 20 cents on it. And
we sold the 375 or bought the 370, I mean. Or sorry,
we bought the 370, sold the 375. So it's a bull call spread.
Oh, that must be our okay, that wasn't yesterday then. That was I should have AXP then. Why don't I have AXP? That must be a debit spread. They were trying to get like a triple on or something.
Yeah, I think we did that on Wednesday.
Well,
no, today's Thursday. That'd be Tuesday. This is why we need a Telegram channel.
Yeah, we do.
Let me see. Did I get filled on it?
Okay. And a lot of people are asking about the premium on Apple. So there's no premium on Apple. It's a credit that you receive. Just to clarify, it's a credit spread.
Yeah, well, the premium is what you receive, right? The premium is the
Yeah.
credit you receive. So
Exactly. Yes, but we're not paying a premium. You're receiving it.
That's right. We got 33 cents on it.
There you
Yeah.
go.
yeah, I
Thank
didn't
you.
get filled on AXP. So, oh well.
And I know we're still working hard on this scanner, but this is a valid question. Jeff, someone was asking your opinion on oil. Because if I'm not mistaken, something was going on with oil today.
Oh yeah, go ahead, Jeff. I'll give it to you.
There you go.
Oil?
Yeah, was there
Well-
something going on with oil? Someone's wanting to know. Let me ask. I put it in our group chat. Let me see what their question was. It was, please ask Jeff if he thinks oil prices will drop regarding XOP trade that expires tomorrow.
Well, that spread, you're through the spread. You can get out around 60 cents on it right now. I would recommend that. I don't think it's coming back down. Right now, they've got a lot of talk of sanctions against Russia and stuff like that, which cuts oil supply, which is going to be driving up oil prices. So I didn't expect Trump to do that, but he got hacked off at Putin. So he said, we'll just squish him some more. And that's why it popped up. It was down at $57 and now it's up here almost at 62. So, and my guess, they're going to try to take that thing back up to $65. So we'll just, cut it and run.
Okay, Alex, can you answer that question for Mike in there? Are you able to see the chat?
About the spread, the bearish credit spread.
Yeah.
Good idea. Vertical call. So here, let me show you guys. Pull up the. So I like Thinkorswim because of this.
Well, I was going to say, you're going to pull up a chain and I can show them how to do one.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Oh,
Jeff
yeah.
can show you. Yeah, you want to show them how to do one, a vertical spread?
Yeah.
It's really easy.
And Jeff's already got the screen, so that'll do it there.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are this chat's keeping me so busy today
Yeah,
between
I know,
grabbing
man.
all these
You gotta
testimonials.
Move those fingers.
Okay.
I am. I'm trying. I can't even keep up with all of it.
Here's Apple, right? So what you're doing is we're going out 1 DTE here. And what you can do is you come over here to your calls because we're doing the 260, 2.5, 265 call spread. So what I always do is I just right click on this and you're going to sell a vertical spread right there. So you right click on it, click on sell, and then go to vertical spread. Then down here in the bottom, you'll have that spread. You'll have a -1 on the one you're selling, which is the 262.5, and a +1 on the 265. And then if you come over on the top line, you'll see a price. And right now it's at 0.33, 0.32. And you'll notice just below there in this gray area, there's a natural and there's a mid. We always try to grab the mid or get a better price. So if you're trying to sell something, you want to sell at a higher price, right? And if you're buying something, you want to buy it at a low price. So if you can get 34 cents, that'd be awesome. I was working a 34-cent one for a while and it wouldn't fill. So I moved it to 33 and it did fill. So, and then up here, this is a limit. That's a limit order. And you can change it to whatever orders you want, but we're going to sell it on a limit order at 33 cents. And this is a day order. That's what that TIF is, Okay. So that's time in force. So you can do good till cancel, or you can do a day order. And then once you have your order in here, you just confirm it and send it, and off it goes. All right.
Yep.
And now, Jeff, since you have that up, what is the risk of this?
Okay. The risk of this trade is the credit you're receiving. Notice it says credit down there. Is the credit you're receiving, and you subtract that from the distance in the spread. So this is a $2.50 wide spread. Everybody understand that? 262.5 to 265 is $2.50. And you have a 32-cent credit at this point in time. So if you take $2.50 and you take 32 cents off of that, what do you get? $2.18, right? So you're going to have $2.18 of risk for the 32 cents in credit. But if you look at that option stat thing, you'll notice there's a real high probability of it not getting there.
Mhm.
So odds are, and this is where theta comes in, we have 1 day to this thing expires. It expires tomorrow. So this is going to decay off, and that's what we want. We want this to go to 0. And so it's going to decay off. You're going to go through tonight. You're going to come in the morning, and all you got is 6.5 hours left once you get to the ding, ding, ding in the morning. And at that point in time, if it never gets back up to 62.5, you're golden and you get to have the whole credit. Some people like to get out anyway. You can get out at a penny, get out at 2 cents, get out at 5 cents, whatever you want to do. But a lot of people, and then there's those just let it expire worthless. And that's what I always do. I just leave them alone and say, die.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
You don't have
That's
to
the way
close-
you're supposed to do it.
If it's so far away, now if it's close to the strike, let's talk about assignment risk, because there's 2 decisions you need to make.
that's correct.
The best case is if Apple just continues selling off and it's down. Let's say it's like sells off $20, which it won't, but let's say it's $240 tomorrow. You don't have to do anything because it's not going to get to your strike, and you can just save on the transaction cost for closing out the trade, and you can just collect all the premiums, save on the transaction cost. Now, if it does, let's talk about you want to talk about assignment risk. If it is closing close to the to the short strike.
Let's go. We got 3 different scenarios here. One is that we close below the lowest strike here. We keep all the premium. That's the end of it. Number 2 is on the other side of that, we go through all of this. We're at 266, let's just say. So you can let it expire worthless and it will clear itself out. You don't have to worry about it, but you're going to end up losing that $218 per spread. The other scenario, and this is the one you really have to worry about, is if you're settling between strikes. If you're 1 penny above 262.5, you will end up short Apple. You don't want that. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, unless you want to be short Apple, you don't want to get assigned. So if you're getting close to that lower strike going into the close, I just bail the thing and call it good, because you don't want to get it assigned over the weekend, come in Monday and see you're short 100 shares of Apple. So, and that's the risk of doing credit spreads. And that's why usually you'll see, it doesn't matter who's doing it, they'll say, hey, if this thing gets up to 262.25, get out, because we don't want to get assigned the stock or get put to a short. So, but just beware of that. If you're selling calls, that gives somebody else the right to buy, therefore you have to sell it to them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're short the call, that means you gave them the right to buy it. Well, if they buy it, you got to sell it to them, and therefore you're going to end up short because you don't own the stock unless you own the stock already. So, which is then the covered call. Yeah. So anyway, but
that was a great explanation, Jeff. I'm glad you were able to do that while Alex is typing away. That's perfect.
Yeah. And just one thing I want to add: if it's at what Jeff said, is that our short is at 262.50 there. If it's at 262.25 by 2 p.m. tomorrow, you will have still made money, right? You will have still made money. Well, let's say it's at 260 by 2:30. I'm looking at my chart. Basically, like 262 and a quarter. You're going to be by 3 p.m. tomorrow. It's approaching that short strike, but you're about 40% profitable on the full credit received, right?
Right.
So you would probably want to get out. You're still going to make money, but you just don't want to make. You want to make sure that in the last 15 minutes after the market closes, right? Because options trading, I think on Friday it can continue as well, right? So options trading can get assigned actually after the market closes if Apple has just a massive spike afterwards. So if you're close to it, you'll still be profitable 40% or so, but then you just want to close out, lock in that 40% gain. Don't worry about assignment risk. You don't go into the weekend resting easy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and that's the one thing. I mean, there are people out there that make mistakes, and sometimes they will exercise calls. I mean, flat out. Check this out. I was long Disney from like $93. This is several years ago, but I was long Disney from $93, and I went about 6 months out, and I sold a 105 call on it. And I was just like, if it gets there, cool, I'll take my profit, right? Well, about 3 weeks, we were trading about $100, and I was like, hey, I said, I'm going to get that money from that 105 call, it'll be good. And I went out to Florida for a class, and on Monday evening, I come in, and I was checking my phone out, and it said that my Disney was called away. I was like, no, it wasn't. I was like, we're at $100. And lo and behold, somebody exercised that call. I guess it was a mistake, but they exercised the call. They took my stock away, which I got out at 105, which was fine. Yeah, but they exercised the call. So people do make mistakes. They will exercise stuff. They're just like, what does this mean? Click. Yeah. And that's probably what happened.
Mm-hmm.
That's why stick around on Profit Panel so you don't make any of those mistakes,
That's right. We won't let it happen to you.
All right, I'm just doing some little bit of back-end admin stuff here, just on these trades, just catching some screens of all this stuff, all these rig calls coming in. Absolutely insane volume coming in. We just got another big rig contract for 7,516. This is not the same scanner. So people were asking, why don't I see this on rig on the free ride scanner? It's because I'm not using that scanner for this. This is another scanner that we're going to be rolling out, not for a while, but it is going to come down the pike. So be on the lookout for that.
Oh, nice. More testimonials. Bradenton is up 90% on rig.
What happened?
Dude, awesome. Is that from this morning on the free ride scanner?
Mm-hmm. No. I think that's from your insider intelligence.
Oh, heck yeah, my man. Good job. You've had a few big winners. Was it Bradenton? Is that his name?
Yeah. He's in there. He's up 45%. Now he's up 90%.
Jeez. So good. So good.
Wow, we just got up to 395.
On what?
On rig. They just shot this thing up. It was trading 340, 350.
Oh, really?
We're almost at $4.
Holy moly, dude. That's crazy.
It's moving.
What are we? Let's see. How are our positions? Maybe we just get out.
We're at 21 cents, 22 cents.
Yeah, man. I'm up on the 16th. I'm up 26%. On the 31st, I'm up 7%. I mean, I think we hold this. There's so much volume coming in. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it till tomorrow.
Yeah, and I mean, it right now, folks. For those asking, rig is at 0.26. That's only $3. 0.3. It's only, or 3 cents. I say dollars. 3 cents. That's 3 cents from our fill. So
that's the power of playing cheap options.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot. I guess hypothetically, it's the same amount of impetus to make a stock option chain go from $2 to $3, but it seems like it's a lot harder. Versus versus a 6 cent to go or 30 cent to go to 60 or whatever, right?
Yeah.
KWEB is pumping a little bit tier 2 at the end.
GME 6 buys for the 25 strike, about 90,000 contracts on the scanner.
For which one? Which for rig?
GME.
Oh, GME. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did say we're gonna look at GME. One. Oh man, dude, this just started. Oh, actually, it started a little earlier, but yeah, we're having a lot of stuff here.
Oh,
I mean, is this the next Beyond? Is this the next
Probably.
Beyond?
At least GME holds Bitcoin, versus Beyond. I don't know what they do other than make fake meat.
Yeah, I know. Let me check something real quick. What was that watch list I dropped in? Let me see. Actually, it doesn't have as much. It's not the top 10, not the top 12 short interest. Does game have a lot of short? I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna type into Google. Does GME have a lot of short interest? We could be getting a squeeze again. Oh, okay. Let's see. When is this reported? Yes, GME has a significant amount of short interest. A recent report showing over 7.195 million, over almost 72 million shares shorted as of September 30th, which is about 16% to 18% of the float. Not as extreme as the 2021 short squeeze. It was over 140% of the float. The level is considered high by many investors. What are we trading at on GME right now? What is it? What are these strikes? Let me go ahead and take the screen.
GME, we're at 2371.
Yep.
Holy cow.
Let's see.
Yeah, Alex, if you put your screen up there, I can put you on there.
Yep.
All right, Jeff, I'm taking you off, putting Alex back on. And give me just 1 second, guys.
Oh man. Look at all these. 30 minutes ago. Basically. A ton started hitting. What is going? This is crazy, man. I honestly like at 1:30 is when it really started to spike. So that would be 4:30 or 5:30. It's kind of all just started flowing in right around then. Look at all that. Man. So 24, 20, there's all over the place too. 25. What's our free ride scanner showing us? 25, 27, and 25, November 14th. A lot at 25, November 14th. Let's look at the chain, shall we, folks, ladies and gentlemen? Dude, we put on a lot of trades these days, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
We got a lot of them.
I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't do any more trades. I don't know. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? No more trades today?
Oh, you're not going to get that out of them.
I do want to ask, though, because we have CPI tomorrow. What are your thoughts on that?
I don't after all these CPI numbers, I don't think the markets care unless they're trying to find a reason to sell off, but they kind of already dipped a little bit. So
my thought on it is these stocks that are coming through the scanner, not all of them, but I think a lot of them, like GME, like that, that K-Web and stuff like that, they don't care about CPI. They're going to go up if they're going to go up.
right.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's just the way it is. Now, if you're going to go start playing with Tesla and all that good stuff, I mean, they might react some to it. But, I mean, the one thing is NASDAQ stocks want interest rates lower just because they do a lot of banking and a lot of borrowing. And when interest rates go up, usually it hurts the NASDAQ. And when it goes down, and the small caps, the IWM, but when interest rates are going down, usually the NASDAQ and IWM go up because they're the ones that, go out and take loans out and pay them back over the month, and they use the bank for their financing.
Mm-hmm.
So they want low rates doing it.
Yeah, my voice just cracked. I've been talking a lot today. I agree, though. I was trying to squeak out there.
You're going through puberty, right?
Yeah, it's fine. I was a late bloomer, man. It's finally hitting. I joke about my wife. I joke with my wife. She's like, yeah, I hit puberty at like 27 years old. Oh man. So let's look at this. So on both these scanners, we have a lot of GME options. A lot on November 14th, 25 cents. Wow. I feel like we should just probably do that because they're cheap. So the November 14th, 25-cent options, sorry, 25 strike. They're actually they're $90. Man. For GameStop, $90.
That's expensive, man.
A little expensive. Let's see if we can find a cheaper one. Look at the
I'll just put it out there. I took the October 31st 27 call. That was only $19.
Yeah, I'm looking at that. Let's do that. Okay, so yeah, Nate looks strangely youthful too.
He does. Every time I talk to him, I'm like, man, Nate's young. You wouldn't even know he has like 7 kids.
I know. One for every year of his life.
Yeah.
Buy to open. You said 31 October 25, $27 call. GME. Okay, we're gonna do last trade, folks. GME. Buy. Let's see if we can get another squeeze happening. I mean, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go on Wall Street Bets after this. Do some research. I will report back to you folks tomorrow if we're seeing a legitimate short squeeze. But let's try and get into this. Try and get a better fill than the mid. So it's at 20 now. See if you can get on 18 cents. Go 17, actually. Be aggressive with it. I'm not getting filled. Let's go 18.
$31 October?
Yes.
25 call?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Did I say 25? $27 call.
Yeah,
I was going
$27.
to say, man, that thing's at like 37, 39
Oh, snap.
cents.
Yeah,
Like,
super
I'm
aggressive.
not seeing this.
Can you correct me there, Blake? Can you edit that?
Yeah, no, you put it in right there. GME buy to open 31st
Oh.
October 27 call.
Okay.
It's just 2025 that's getting confused, but it's the 27 call. I mean, the 25 call is on the scanner right there for November 14th.
Yeah, but that's just
But
expensive.
That's what I'm saying. We ain't taking
Yeah,
that one.
we're I don't know what's going on. Okay, I got filled at 20. Yeah, I got filled at 20.
I'm working 20.
Yep, someone got filled.
I just got filled at 20.
And
Moose
now I'm
wants to
down-
know why not a vertical call spread.
You could
for
do that.
GME?
You could do that. I mean, we could do that for sure. That's not. It's up to you. I mean, you could if you wanted to do I don't know. I mean, let's go over here. If you want to do a bull call spread, and you want to get like a similar gain from GME, you have to go out of the money. So you need it to go up. So you could go here, range. So if it goes up, if you want, it depends on where you think it's going to go. I mean, not the technical analysis matters at all. If this is like some massive short squeeze, but let's say we get to $24. If we get to $24 by tomorrow, you're going to be up 47%. And maybe if you go a little lower for that debit spread, you'll be up $24. You'll be up somewhere between 24 and 44 by Monday. And you could, if it goes up a lot, you could still get like a quadruple winner, quadruple digit, or not quadruple digit, but 4x winner, or is that 5x, 4x or 5x? But is 400% 4x or 5x? It would be 5x, right? Because 100% is a double.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be 5x.
Yeah, it'd be 5x.
Yeah.
5x.
So yeah, you can still. So if it goes to 25.70 with that debit spread, which is up here, that's pretty aggressive though. I don't know. What the options are just so cheap, and I'm like, why? You're paying. I guess you pay $7 less, but $8 less, but your profit will be capped. Whereas if this is a real short squeeze, like we just saw. I mean, look at this on Beyond.
Yeah.
I mean, look
Odine's
at-
cracked me up. He said, "Do 150,000 contracts. You may see your trade on the next movie about GameStop mania."
yeah, I know, dude. That would be great. That'd be great press for WealthPin.
Yes, it would.
Well, we got some people. We got Shannon here saying, Ian. Okay, so Shannon saying this has been an awesome session. Thank you, Shannon. I hope everybody else. Please, can you guys let us know, because we have a lot of new people here. If you really enjoyed this, it would. And if you haven't, I guess say so too. But if you have enjoyed it, please let us know.
Yes, please.
Ian's asking, how often do we do these live trades? Every single day.
We're here at 2:30 every day.
Every single
right.
day we put on these live trades. Tomorrow on the docket is we're going to actually be, speaking of debit spreads, we're going to be doing some debit spreads that are like, we're looking for like 200 to 300% long-term monthly hold spreads. So they're going to be out of the money, sort of like this game spread would it be, right? But we're going to be like way up, like here, try and get juice. Like if it hits our profit target, it's going to be like 500%. And even if it doesn't, like we're going to still get like 100% or, nice fat double or something. But
right.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
now I know a lot of y'all have the free ride scanner. I know there's a few people who don't, but a lot of the trades we took are from this free ride scanner. So if you don't know how it works, hey, folks, also, again, I'm going to say this. Robert, what day of week is straight directional calls and puts? Monday, sometimes Tuesday, always Thursdays.
Yeah. Well, and sometimes we'll just put them out too. Like if you're here, sometimes we'll just call them out. Like Jeff, he hopped on and he's like, "I'm in K-Web."
Oh yeah, we didn't plan on doing something like that today, but
just happened.
So hey, folks, look, I know a lot of people were in the masterclass, but if you have not gotten that, if you're just using the scanner for free and you haven't upgraded yet, Blake, can you drop the upgrade link? If you have access to that, get the scanner for 2 years. We're gonna get that link to you.
I have the link. I mean, so that folks can hop in, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, but just for people, let's actually, you know what? Since this is a, let's just go ahead. For people, I know we have a ton of people here. Some who don't have the scanner at all. Some who are testing it out. Some who are already taking the upgrades and stuff. But let's go ahead and let's run the training. So for everyone, we'll capture the widest net possible. If you haven't used the free ride scanner yet, you can have it for 30 days for free. All right. Same types of trades we've been taking. I mean, look at what we're up. Let's look at their trades. KWEB up 13% just using the scanner just in this session alone. RIG up 26% or 7% depending on which one you're looking at, just from this session alone, just using the scanner. If you're not using this, I think you're really missing out on a really powerful tool. I think this has been a public chat, so you've seen people saying the kinds of money they're making, the kind of gains, kind of success they're having. So we're going to tee that up. Let people who haven't seen it yet take a look and see what it's all about.
It's ready to go. Let me just, before we do that, let me end this on YouTube. So if you're watching on YouTube, there's a link in the chat. You just click on that and you can come here and stick around, but the stream is ending on YouTube.